Why, hello. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, in this video, we will be studying about lead magnets, okay? Now, what you see before you is a sample lead magnet. This is one of the lead magnets that some of my team members are using. This is about the Internet Marketer's Handbook. Now, a lead magnet can come in different forms, okay? This particular form that we're using is called an ebook or a free giveaway. So we say, hey, here's this information. This is what it looks like. This is the URL. This is what it looks like. And then it says right here, give me your email address and your name, and in exchange for your contact information, I will give you this item. Okay, I will give you this item. Now, this lead magnet is advertised through an email campaign or a search engine traffic exchanges. There are different ways in which you can advertise it, but I'm going to show you how to use an email exchange, how to use an email, how to send an email through a viral mailer, and also how to do a traffic surf exchange. Okay, so this is a sample email. Now this is the email that we will use to promote the lead magnet. Now, first of all, it's very important that you have a URL and that the URL must have a tracker. You must know where those hits are coming from. So here this is one tracker, this is another tracker, and this is the third tracker. So this particular lead magnet has three trackers. Okay, so now this is the first email that we have. This is email number one. Now with email number one, we have multiple subject lines. Okay, it's important that you have multiple subject lines, and here's the email that goes with that. All right, so that's email number one. Now this is email number two. This is the second email. See, now in our second email, we have multiple subject lines. Okay, this is very important. And then this is the email right here. Okay, this is the email here. All right. So it's important that you have multiple email addresses, multiple emails, and then multiple subject lines. Okay. And the reason you want to do this is so that when people see it, they can see that it's something new and fresh. When you continue to use the same email, the same subject line, it comes across as being old and outdated. It comes across as being stale. And this is something you do not want. So now here we are back. This is the lead magnet that we will be sending out. I just want to encourage everyone, lead magnets are very good. It's a very good way of growing your list. Okay, you want to grow your contact list, and then once you have a good contact list, you can then start to advertise to them. Give them, hey, I have this product for sale. It's something that you're interested in. But not only must you have a good email, have a good lead magnet, you must also have a good lead nurturing. Now, so you go from the lead magnet, where you give them something for free and they give you their contact information. Then they go into lead nurturing. They have the lead nurturing campaign. And then after the lead nurturing campaign, or while the lead nurturing campaign is going on, you can then begin to send them additional information about some products that you have for sale, some things that may be of interest to them. And so this is how you grow the list. This is a very low cost way of doing that. Remember, success leaves clues. You must have a positive mental attitude. There's just no way around it. And I look forward to seeing you in the future. Have a great day. Take care.